Well, life on the farm is always laid back, and this time of the year, it's festive and fun because we're at Dahnke's Family Farms. Thanks for having us out.
Thank you for coming.
You know, this time of year, I love anyway, but when I can come to a place like your family farm and experience this true joy of Christmas, wow. Why did you start doing this in the first place, Yvonne?
Well, we didn't want to have to mow so much. Now we mow lots. My dad, it was a suggestion from him.
Yeah?
And he's the one who named it Dahnke's Pine Patch when we originally started.
Sure.
So, yeah, we do lots of mowing now.
Now it's a busy time all year round.
Yes, yes.
But it's ironic that it is the Pine Patch. That's truly how it started.
Yes.
And this time of the year, folks come out and look for the perfect tree. And you're in full swing right now, right?
Yes. So, you know, after it was Dahnke's Pine Patch, we've changed it to Dahnke Family Farms because not only do we do Christmas, we do other seasons.
Sure.
So we changed it to that because we're growing more than just Christmas trees now. But this time of the year, it's so fun because what we really want to accomplish is having our family traditions and your family traditions become part of ours. And that's really important to us because we want people to come out and have a really good time with their children or their grandchildren, and it's a perfect place for it.
So many people, I think the commercialized part of Christmas was you got a fake tree, you know what I mean, and it was easy and it was simple, but the times I remember going and finding a tree with my family, truly some of the best memories. So you're recreating and kind of rekindling, I feel like, the past to the future.
Sure. So, you know, we've been doing this for 39 years, so we've seen little kids become adults and have their children. One of the kids that came, he always said that my most favorite memory was coming out and having a snowball fight at the Pine Patch. Because you could duck in and out of trees, you know, it was really fun, and we've already had snow and we're going to have some more, so, you know,
there you go.
Come on out, we're going to have snow, you know.
Not just trees, though. The activities for the kids are endless. Can you tell me about some of them?
Yeah, we have a little area we call our barn lot. It's really not a little area, it's about 4 acres, but we have, oh gosh, we have barn ball that's in a gravity flow wagon, basketball. We have tetherball, checkers, a giant tic-tac-toe. We have a swing set that's gravity flow where you can climb up, slide down. We have Santa's obstacle course because, you know, Santa has to get in shape too, so we have that here. We also have the super swing, which is a big tube, and you can get like 15 kids on it. It's really fun. You know, we have a coop maze. We have, oh, the new one this year is rock hounds. Walker's rock hounds. So we have begun to name things after our grandchildren.
Nice.
So we got a couple more to go. So we got to find some new things for them. So, yeah,
well, you mentioned Santa, and I know he has a very important connection here because of his reindeer, too, right?
Yes. So we have, right now we have 7 reindeer. We have 3 more coming, and we have lots of fun with them because we do what we call reindeer flight school. So they come into this barn. Doug teaches them about the reindeer, like all educational.
So one way you can experience Dahnke's is by participating in this year's Jingle Jeep Run. You guys are one of the stops, right?
Yeah, we're excited about that. So we're doing a little gift bag for everybody that comes through. We're going to have reindeer ducks.
For your Jeep.
Yes.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
We'll be offering, with this is a free giveaway. You get a coupon to come to the barn lot and do flight school with the reindeer and let the kids play. You get a coupon for that. You get stickers from Dahnke's Pine Patch. And then we are going to have a special for those people who come for the Jeep Run of a 16-inch little wreath with a bow to put on the front of your Jeep if you want.
So when are you open? So how long between now through the Christmas season will you be open?
9 to 5 on Saturday. We're open 12:30 to 5 on Sunday. And then we open Monday through Friday. We're open 3 to 5, except for Thanksgiving. And we're open the day after Thanksgiving, which is a Friday, from 9 to 5. We will close December the 23rd this year. So there's a lot of time to come out and have some fun.
Well, it's all about fun. It's all about the perfect tree. It's all about the holiday decor, because I want to mention you also sell some great decor, too.
We have a full floral department. We don't really use flowers. We just use evergreen, you know.
It's perfect.
But it's really, they have made some beautiful things. Wreaths, things you can put on your tables or your porches. I mean, just decorate your whole house up.
Well, congratulations on all your success, because this place truly is the feeling of the holiday season, all in a big hug.
Yeah,
I love every minute of it.
Me too.
I love going to Dahnke Family Farms, located in Martinsville, Illinois. Again, the address is a county road, but you can see it right off of the highway, folks. Visit their Facebook page anytime and their website, dankespinepatch.com. Their hours of operation for the holiday season, Monday to Friday, 3 to 5, Saturdays 9 to 5, Sundays 12:30 to 5. Now, they will be running Black Friday from 9 to 5 with all the activities. They are closing for the season on December the 23rd. That'll be their last chance for you to enjoy Dahnke Family Farms. Pay a visit and have some fun. We'll be right back.